मैंने बोला था कि ये दिस फिल्म इज नॉट अबाउट श्रीकांत बीइंग विजुअली impaired. That's something that is there. It's a story. We are seeing an aspirational story. वो visually impaired है, ये एक fact है. But we're not going to focus on him being visually impaired.
Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into Cine Samvad, a story of a man that is truly inspiring and कैसे एक visually impaired इंसान को उसके weaknesses नहीं बल्कि उसके strengths को glorify करके दिखाया जाता है कि कैसे उस इंसान ने सारे challenges को overcome किया अपने intelligence से and अपने terrific presence of mind से and most importantly समझाने की and बदलाव लाने की कोशिश की कि how the people with disabilities are actually viewed and treated in our country। तो यार मैंने देख ली है मूवी श्रीकांत और आज हम बात करेंगे इसी फिल्म के कुछ अच्छे और बुरे पॉइंटर्स के बारे में। तो फर्स्ट थॉट दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट दिस फिल्म इज दैट दिस बायोपिक विल श्योरली लीव्स एन इंप्रेशन ऑन यू विद इट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज दैट इट्स नॉट अबाउट व्हाट यू सी विद योर आईज, इट्स अबाउट अ विजन दैट यू हैव एंड ऑल दिस विल श्योरली मेक यू फील इंस्पायर्ड एट द एंड ऑफ दिस फिल्म। द फिल्म इज अ बायोपिक एंड द प्लॉट ऑफ द मूवी tries to show the inspiring journey of Shrikant Bola, played by Rajkumar Rao, who was born in Andhra Pradesh as visually impaired with no visibility at all. His father Damodar Bola and mother Venkatamma Bola, played by Srinivas Besetti and Anusha Nuthula, somehow accepts their fate as parents for their blind son. फिल्म दिखाती है about his schooling journey, स्कूल में उसके struggles जो showcase करता है उसकी fighting spirit को, then his fight against the Indian education system who doesn't feel that visually impaired students deserve anything more than humanities as their subject after 10th grade. अलग अलग situations जहाँ पर he felt that he was being treated differently than normal people. Further, his dream of studying in top college, which led him to get a full waiver scholarship in MIT. His relations with his teacher Devika, played by Jyotika, since he was in school for visually impaired in Hyderabad. His relations with his mentor and business partner Ravi, played by Sharat Kelkar, and the love of his life which changed his soul and how it impacted him to make his decisions, and all this is the basic premise of the film. Now going for my review, I think किसी भी बायोपिक को अपनी ऑडियंस को बताने में सबसे जरूरी होता है उस रियल स्टोरी के साथ उस फिल्म के लीड को कनेक्ट करना एंड जस्टिस करना उस इंसान और उस पर्सनालिटी के साथ हर एक वे में ताकि वो उसकी जर्नी को पूरे तरीके से जस्टिस करे एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस फिल्म एज वेल। दिस फिल्म इज बेस्ड ऑन अ रियल लाइफ स्टोरी ऑफ Shrikant Bola who have fought all the hardships in his life which came along in his way and paved a path for visually impaired and persons with disabilities in the country. He truly did something which no person or government was able to do so in so many years. फिल्म मेरे ओपिनियन में एक रिफ्रेशिंग अप्रोच को फॉलो करती है अपनी स्टोरी को बताने के लिए, where the dialogues of the films works to pave the way for Shrikant in his way, where he only dreams of things and tries to chase them by all means. As I said, the message was quite clear in the film. It's not about what you can actually see with your eyes. It's about the vision that you have. Movie दिखाती है कि how in his school he was bullied by his classmates and being told that he will grow up to be a blind beggar only. And later, due to his limitations, he got into visually impaired charitable school in Hyderabad, where he met his teacher and eventual guardian Devika. Later in the film, ये दोनों एक legal battle में involve होते हैं with Indian education system in order to get his admission in the school by taking science stream. Further, जब IIT and other college institutions didn't want to admit Shrikant, he got full waiver scholarship from MIT Boston, USA. उसके बाद he comes to India and tries to generate jobs for visually impaired and person with other disabilities in his own industry, Bolent Industries. And our former president APJ Abdul Kalam was apparently one of his first investors. Movie में ये सब कुछ बहुत ही beautifully दिखाया गया है. I think it's a long life journey of a man who have broken all odds and fought for something which he truly deserves. पर फिल्म उस एसेंस को बहुत डीप डाइव करके नहीं दिखा पाती अपने स्क्रीन प्ले में एंड आई थिंक द लेंथ ऑफ अ मूवी वाज क्वाइट शॉर्ट एज वेल टू टेल सच अ बिग स्टोरी। ड्यू टू इट्स शॉर्ट लेंथ मूवी आपको बहुत ज्यादा कुछ फील नहीं करवा पाती इन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द सीन्स। इट्स लाइक कि श्रीकांत की लाइफ में ये एक इंसिडेंट था, इट्स शोन नाउ एंड वी आर मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सीन। सो आई थिंक ऑल दिस डोंट नेसेसरीली मेंटेन्स दैट कनेक्ट विद इट्स ऑडियंस ऑनेस्टली। देयर आर वेरी फ्यू इमोशनल सीन्स इन द फिल्म, पर आई थिंक गोइंग बाय द नैरेटिव स्टाइल ऑफ द फिल्म एंड इट्स बैकग्राउंड स्कोर दैट वाज रियली अपबीट इन द मेजॉरिटी majority of the scenes. And I think the film was never meant to be touching that way with emotional scenes. Although I really wanted कि फिल्म में वो emotional resonance का feel और ज़्यादा होना चाहिए था to get that inspiration. But with the due message in the film, it doesn't portray itself to look up blind people with pity and feel like they are helpless and are not normal. Film really celebrates the potential of a person over a mere glorification of a person who is visually impaired by showing journey of a man who have achieved so much with all the hardships in his way, which even any normal person can only dream of. And talking about the background music and that song पापा कहते हैं in the screenplay really suits the film every time it hits the narrative. ऐसा लगता है जैसे ये गाना पापा कहते हैं इसी फिल्म के लिए स्पेशली बना था. After coming back from MIT, film focuses on the growth of Shrikant with his company Bolland Industries and his feeling of jealousy and insecurity in the process. ये सब भी बहुत ही अच्छे से and time लेकर फिल्म में दिखाया गया है. And movie takes time to get all of these things done for the ultimate redemption of Shrikant in front of his teacher Devika and his mentor and friend Ravi. Also, last but not least, that climax speech by Shrikant is truly something which you can hear over and over again. वो speech एक true sense में depict करती है the life journey of Shrikant and the people who are like him, and he just wants other people to treat and see the people like him normally and not with pity. And ये सब कुछ होता है with great message and great humor of Shrikant in the climax moments. बात करें अगर फिल्म के डायरेक्शन एंड एक्टिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस की, तो डायरेक्शन वाइज आई थिंक तुषार हीरानंदानी डज अ गुड जॉब ऑफ पोर्ट्रेइंग द स्टोरी ऑफ श्रीकांत ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. मेरे हिसाब से उनको पहले से इसका अच्छा खासा एक्सपीरियंस है ऑन हाउ टू टेल सच एन अनबिलीवेबल स्टोरी इन अ फीचर फिल्म लाइक ही डिड प्रीवियसली विद सांड की आंख विद भूमि पेडनेकर एंड तापसी पन्नू. इन दिस वेंचर एज वेल आई फेल्ट दैट द पेसिंग ऑफ द मूवी वाज फास्ट एंड आई थिंक इट वाज टोटली अ डायरेक्टोरियल चॉइस टू कीप it that way, and it somehow works for the film, and it could have been better in my opinion. Acting performances wise, Rajkumar Rao as Shrikant Bola was phenomenal. ये एक pure art है जो राजकुमार राव जैसे एक्टर ही स्क्रीन पर कर सकते हैं. I think his character never misses a step in the whole film. Even if the screenplay dips sometimes, he was there to pick it back up. I think Rajkumar Rao deserve all the praise for this wonderful performance on the screen. Jyotika as Shrikant's teacher Devika has done a fine job. उन्होंने इस रोल को बहुत ही ग्रेसफुली परफॉर्म किया है लाइक शी ऑलवेज डू. शरद केलकर एज रवि, हिज फ्रेंड एंड मेंटोर, ऑलवेज लुक सो गुड ऑन स्क्रीन एंड ही हैज डन अ फाइन जॉब एज श्रीकांत इन्वेस्टर एंड हिज मेंटोर. द लव एंगल पार्ट doesn't have that much space in the screenplay, but in spite of that, Alaya F as Swati leaves a mark with her performance. Shrikant's parents, Srinivas Bisetti and Anusha Nuthula, has done a good job as well and depicts the true mannerisms of the parents in a village. अब अगर बात करें फिल्म के मार्क्स की, तो I will give this one an honest 7.5 out of 10. I think film has done really well in its storytelling, but somewhere all this looks like ticking the checkpoints of the achievements of the Shrikant. Film has a lot to show in its screenplay, and director did a fine job in incorporating everything in its narrative within 2 hours and 14 minutes. I really wish that film could have been longer so that we can see more of Shrikant's journey and can emotionally connect with it.
बेचारे तो हम बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आप हमारे चक्कर में मत फंसना, आपको बेच के कहाँ जाएंगे हम.
So that's it from my side. ये तो था मेरा रिव्यू एंड मेरे कुछ थॉट्स फिल्म श्रीकांत को लेकर. आई थिंक अगर आप एक रिफ्रेशिंग पोर्ट्रेयल देखना चाहते हो एक बायोपिक में, then this is something you should watch this weekend. It will surely leave you inspired and you might see any person with disability with different thought process next time. आप भी अपने थॉट्स कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं about this movie, and if you have liked this review तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. Also do follow us on Instagram @cinesamvad. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next one. Cheers.